deep conditioning with, and it's the Mielle and Mint deep conditioner. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I've had these braids in for quite some time. Oh wait, I gotta show you guys my hair color. Like, I'm recording in natural lighting because I was able to catch it today, thank God. But you guys look, my ombre. I'm kind of debating if I should go dark blue or black. I don't know, but we'll see, because I feel like the dye has made my hair really dry, and I expected that because I bleached it like 3 or 4 times. So yeah, it's my fault. But anyway, as you guys can see, look at my ends, they're so dry. This is that blow dried hair that I had. Let me pop these rubber bands because I just want to show you guys how dry my hair actually is. Like, this is the Sahara Desert over here. My hair is probably collecting dust at this point. Okay, it just popped. But let's see. Wait a minute, sis, this is a braid out. Okay, I'm just wasting a whole braid out here because I'm about to deep condition it. I'm going to show you guys what I have decided to deep condition with, because I decided to try something new. What was that? Oh, thank you. You go get another piece of makeup. Go get another piece of makeup. Ooh. Do you see this? Like, this is low-key. I just low-key just did a braid out for you guys. Like, video over because sis. Okay. I ain't even gotta say what. Y'all, we might have to stop the video right here because this is quite nice, but my hair is still dry, and I'm sitting here talking about my hair dry and it comes out looking like this. But it is dry. Well, it doesn't feel dry, just my ends, you guys. But you guys, this is what I'm working with. Okay, this makes me not even want to deep condition my hair because it came out looking so good. Come on now. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm deep conditioning with. And it's the Mielle and Mint deep conditioner. It's the protein moisture replenisher for dry and damaged hair, and it's to restore protein and balance for moisture and growth. So I guess it, you know, moisturizes and deposits protein into your hair, and that's exactly what I need, because you guys know I've been through a lot of color processing and different things that dry out my hair, and I haven't washed it in going on 2 weeks, I believe. So I'm gonna have to really treat it and do all that good stuff. Then I'm gonna go ahead and wash and deep condition, and I really don't even want to do that, but it is what it is. So yeah, let's get this and Mint going. Okay guys, so I'm back, and honestly, okay, I don't think I showed you, I don't think you could see when I was showing you earlier, so I'm just going to show you the product again. Okay, so as I was saying, I used the Mielle Organics deep conditioner on her hair and on my hair. Honestly, on her hair I didn't like it too much because it didn't have enough slip for her, but then again I didn't leave it in and I didn't apply heat to it, and it does recommend on the directions to do that. Also, if you hear some noise in the background, she's obsessed with Mariah Carey's No No, is it No No No? No, a No No song. So she's listening to that in the background. I hope that it's not distracting or anything. But these are my results from this deep conditioner. Honestly, I wanted to hate it because I was like, okay, I have to insert the real price of what this was in the, well, I'll probably put it like down here. But I wanted to hate it because I'm like, okay, this is runny for one. I don't feel as if it was, well, see, in just one, well, actually it's two heads, but I used, I don't even think you can see that. You can see there's like a dent in it, you see? It's like down here. I used quite a bit, and it's now down to here, and that's two heads. And it is kind of expensive for it to be so runny and for me to have to use so much just to coat my hair, but I do have thick hair, so I'm not gonna completely blame the product, but it is a bit runny. Now, as for how my hair feels, it's so soft. Obviously my hair is a frizzier texture, so it won't be like crazy defined, but I did like the results I got, like how soft it feels. It feels like it really moisturized my hair. It feels like it did what it was supposed to do. The product claims to infuse hair with protein and moisture, and I do feel as though my hair is springy, you know, from protein, because protein helps your hair to be more springy. And it's very soft and moisturized. It does say it's supposed to improve scalp health and hair health. Now, one thing about this, of course, it has mint in it, and I did feel a tingling while I was deep conditioning, so it was a nice feeling. I do like to feel a tingling feeling if I have mint in a product. It's enriched with fatty acids and natural oils that help reduce frizz and flyaways. I can't really see that my hair is less frizzy because you guys know my hair is poofy. Unless I put product in it, my hair is gonna be poofy. It's made with organic ingredients. Other than that, I feel like this is a good deep conditioner for when I do need that pick me up for my hair, because honestly my hair feels so soft and so moisturized. I wanted to hate this product, like I said, but I actually really like it because it's making my hair feel very soft. And a lot of deep conditioners don't really penetrate my hair. That's why I normally stick to one deep conditioner. But since this one was able to penetrate, it's kind of making it up there on my list. It's bouncy. It feels really good. I'm satisfied with the product. I do recommend it. Now, if it's out of your price point, I won't say go out and buy this because it's a bit expensive for the amount of product that you get. Because I feel like I might get a couple more uses out of that, but I don't think it's gonna last me a long time. It's not very concentrated. You have to scoop it out, and it's not gonna last you very long. But I will continue to use that. Now, will I buy it again? Probably not, just because of the price point and the fact that it takes so much to coat my hair. My hair's so thick, it's just not cost efficient for me. Now, is it a bad product? No. But that's, you know, this is just my 2 cents. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and share. Make sure to turn on that bell notification down below so that you get all notifications for my videos. That was a mouthful. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye.